You know your biggest problem is pronunciation. So you have to figure it out yourself. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 super tips to take your pronunciation next level. So number 1 is listening and mimicking. What does it mean? So first of all, you have to take a video from YouTube or from other sources and then first of all, listen what the speaker says. And then take pause and try to mimic it and focus on the tone, speed and rhythm. And do it again and again. Okay, and always bear in your mind that practice doesn't make perfect, but perfect practice makes perfect. And tip number 2, focus on sounds, not on words. What does it mean? You probably see the word comfortable, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-E, comfortable. You might say comfortable, but native speakers say comfortable. Okay, so focus on sounds, not on spelling or words. Get it? And number 3, shadowing practice. This is one of the best methods to take or to boost up your pronunciation. What does it mean? Speak at the same time. Speak at the same time. So for this, take a short video from a native speaker and don't go for a long video because it will take much time and you might lose your confidence and patience. So take short video and then do first of all listening and mimicking. Number 2, focus on sounds. And number 3, when you actually do the first 2 things repeatedly and then go for next one, shadowing. This is one of the best technique. At the same time, you have to practice, you have to speak with the same intonation, same speed. Okay, so and if you do these 3 tips, the 3 techniques every single day consistently, you can see the result within 7 days. So go and work on the tips and comment below what are you gonna start from today. So thank you very much.